Hi, this is Tanmay De. Welcome to my channel Sanchoita. I hope you are doing well. If you find it helpful, you can subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and press the like button. Dictation number 4 is an editorial passage from the newspaper The Indian Express. Total words 747. Speed 80 words per minute. Some important fact about this passage. Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah on August 5, 2019 announced to abrogate Article 370 and Article 35 capital A in the Parliament, which bifurcated Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir and another is Ladakh. From 1954 to 31st October 2019, Article 370 guarantees Jammu and Kashmir special status. Before this bifurcation, Jammu and Kashmir was the only Indian state to have Muslim majority of the population. After this abrogation, India comprising of 28 states and 8 union territories. You also remember that after the dictation, you will get the whole passage which is divided into parts to make it more legible. It is advised that after taking dictation, you must read it back and then do transcription and check it. You will also get important words relating to this passage with their outlines. I think you are ready with your notepad and pen or pencil. After the countdown of 5, I will start my dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Rajya Sabha saw uproarious scenes in the morning with the opposition protesting the announcement by Shah, but many in the opposition ranks backed the government decision. By evening, the bill had cleared Rajya Sabha 125 votes in favor, 61 opposed, and 1 abstention. Opposition BSP, BJD, AIADMK and YSR Congress voted in favor of the bill. NDA partner JDU staged a walkout, as did the TMC, which earlier in the day opposed abrogation of Article 370. The TMC walked out before Shah began his reply to the debate. 2 PDP members were evicted after one of them tore a copy of the constitution and the other his shirt, while the resolution was passed by voice vote. The opposition BSP, BJD, AIADMK, TDP, UP and YSRCP voted in favor of the bill, and the NCP said it abstained. At 6:51 p.m. as the bill was passed, Prime Minister Modi turned towards Shah and patted him on the back. He then moved towards the opposition benches and shook hands with BSP's Satish Chandra Mishra, DMK's Tiruchi Siva, and walked up to Congress Anand Sharma. The first statutory resolution to knock down J&K special privileges stated within double quote that this House recommends the following public notification to be issued by the President of India under Article 370 within bracket 3 in exercise of the powers conferred by clause within bracket 3 within double quote in exercise of the powers conferred by clause within bracket 3 of article 370 read with clause within bracket 1 of article 370 of the Constitution of India. The President, on the recommendation or the Parliament, is pleased to declare that as from 5th of August 2019, all clauses of the said Article 370 shall cease to be operative except clause within bracket 1 decode. Article 370 will survive on paper but will now read within double quote all provisions of the Constitution as amended from time to time shall apply in relation to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, notwithstanding anything contrary contained in Article 152 or Article 308 or any other article of this Constitution or any other provision of the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir, or any law, document, judgment, ordinance, order, bylaw, rule, regulation, notification, custom or usage having the force of law in the territory of India, or any other instrument, treaty or agreement as envisaged under Article 363 or otherwise. Decode. The second resolution regarding the bill said the President has referred the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019 to the House within double quote under the proviso of Article 3 of the Constitution of India for its views, as this House is vested with the powers of the state legislature of Jammu and Kashmir. As per proclamation of the President of India dated 19th December 2018, decode. Saha tabled the bill and the statutory resolutions after President Ramnath Kovind signed the official notification, the Constitution within bracket application to Jammu and Kashmir bracket close order 2019 superseding the Constitution within bracket application to Jammu and Kashmir bracket close order 1954, under which the Constitution was applied only selectively to the state within double quote all the provision of the Constitution as amended from time to time shall apply in relation to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Decode. The notification said the government has added in Article 367 of the Constitution a clause 4 which makes 4 changes. The order said references to Sadariya Riyasat of Jammu and Kashmir shall be construed as references to the Governor of J&K. Similarly, references to the government of J&K shall be construed as references to the Governor of J&K acting on the advice of the Council of Ministers, with opposition members arguing that the bill to bifurcate J&K was not even circulated. Saha had to introduce the bill and statutory resolutions again. Saha also introduced the Jammu and Kashmir Reservation within bracket second amendment bracket close bill 2019 providing for 10% reservation for SC, ST and OBCs in J&K. Leader of opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad said lakhs of civilians and crores of security personnel had made supreme sacrifices to keep J&K with India. He condemned the tearing of the constitution but said the BJP has, within double quote, murdered the same constitution and democracy. The Article 370, through which we had given Jammu and Kashmir to India, today the Modi government has torn it to pieces. Decode. Hitting back, Saha said the bill he has tabled is historic, within double quote, because of Article 370, people of Jammu and Kashmir are living in poverty. They don't get the benefit of reservation. Corruption is rampant. 3 families have looted Jammu and Kashmir all these years. The leader of the opposition has said Article 370 attached Jammu and Kashmir to India. I hope you write it well. Now try to read it and then do transcription. If anyone find too many omissions, then he or she can practice the given outline and then take dictation once or twice. Now I am showing you important outlines relating to this passage. You can also take screenshots. Part 1 and Part 2. Now I am showing you the whole passage in parts. Part 1 have 207 words. Part 2 total words 204. Part 3 number of words 203. Part 4 total words 134. That's all from us. Thanks very much for watching. I hope this dictation is useful to you. If so, press the like button, which will encourage me to do better. Share it with your friends. To get future updates regarding stenography, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Namaskar. Bharat Mata ki Jai.